Welcome to day two. Today is day two of our 5 day workshop. So, I hope you have completed all the tasks which were given in day one. So, no, if you haven't done the task, then you just write down all the story and no, like why you want to take this challenge or why you want to quit. Because you have to analyze the question first. Means whenever you get into the question, then definitely you will get the clue. You will get the intuition what to do, isn't it? So just do the quickly and do the things. So just a quick follow up. So yesterday we have discussed about the problem, how it is severe and how it is affecting in the like every aspects of our life, even in the social, psychological, in relationship, even it leading to some like cancer thing. So you have to understand the things, and I like the thing is it doesn't like good or bad or like you have to do or not, so it doesn't matter. But the thing is, if you are not investing your time in a correct way or in a correct time in a correct manner, then it's not going to worth at all, isn't it? So you have to invest your time, you have to spend your time in such a way that your life is like shaping forward, not like just a stagnating and you are just compelling the things and you are just getting stuck just revolving around a particular point, or it's something like feeling it's the biggest distraction. So you have to get out of the biggest distraction. Means the you have thought, means you should be a clarity in thought, means you have to be like right time right thought. Means whenever you are not doing something, then you have to focus on that. It's not randomly pop up some thought and related to sex and other things, and you just get distracted and it leads to the trigger, then urge, then finally you just masturbate and just things are getting cyclic. So you have to understand the problem. So we have discussed so many things and then discuss about the sequence rule, means how to follow the sequence rule. So first of all, you have to target for 7 days, then only 5 days, then only 2 days extra, that is 7. Then next 4 days means 11, then next 4 15, then next 6 21, the next 9 30. Like that you have to keep continuing till 150 done, and you will get drastic change. And the another concept we discussed about the like flat line, means at the 5 or around the 5, means when you are reaching to the 5 or just passing the day 5, then that is the time where you're like you at the peak, means there is a huge potential to fall down, means you are most likely to relapse. So you have to take care of the, as you likely like now, if you are at the 60, means at the asterisk of 60, means at the flat line of 60, then it is more likely to get relapsed, and like more hissing, more willing to like it's get into the out of control somewhere you are feeling. So you have to take care whenever you are reaching more and more, then you have to take care the most. So that is the concept of flatline. So you have to consider the flatline like for the 5 days, then you have to be more precautious and more you have to take care of the things. And we will discuss about the golden rule where you will get into the no in a detailed way. So let us start. So today we are going to discuss about the golden rule. So we have split it into two parts. Part two. So day two we are going to discuss about some brief things and like the build up you can say. And the second day we will discuss about the some part. So this is also called the escapism. Escapism is a technique, means you don't have to get into the action, means you are thinking that ki this is not right for you or this is not the desire, this is not the thing you want. So it's better to you don't have to involve into it and just get out from the that situation, that activity, or any kind of the thought and the things. So that is the concept of escapism. So you have to get out from the there. So let's start. So trigger means not trigger is something which is giving you like some command or something like device that releases a spring or catch, so sets of a mechanism especially in order to fire a gun. This is the like what does mean the trigger. So it causes some function, means if there is a like some button, so it's like a trigger. If you push the button, then that's a mechanism, a chain is continue, isn't it? So this is called the trigger. And this is totally based on the dopamine addiction. So we discussed yesterday about the like a reward circuit. So your reward circuit is nothing but like there is a dopamine circuit which is fueled by the dopamine, and whenever you have get the trigger and the dopamine fired and get the dopamine spike, then you just out of control, and you get into the reptilian mode, and all the thinking and all the things just vanished, and you just do the course of action. So this is about the trigger. So you have to keep consistently, you have to keep the persistently to persuade or someone to do something, means it's the way where you just feeling helpless, means you just strong desire, or like a there is a thing which is pressing to do that activity. So how you can find out? So either it's the normal, or you have to consider the things. So you just as I said, to write down your the story. So if there is a gap of like you are not masturbating from last 1 week, even for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, if there is a long gap, means the gap which is more than, you can say, the 25 days or 30 days or more than 30 days, then it's okay, means you don't have to be that much serious or the thing. So you have to just take care of the things, know the situation, know the problem, and you just get into the solution and just follow the steps. But if you are, there is a no big picture, so here we are giving a general picture, or like, so the gap that is called 90. So if there is a 90 days gap, then there is nothing at all to worry about it. But if there is a no gap of your masturbation or watching porn of the 90 days, then definitely you have to consider the things. If it is like so frequent, like 1 day, 2 days, so you have to be like get into that, and you have to take this seriously, and you have to get out of this, so that your life get more easier, or you will get the in all the way. So it is like related with trigger. It could be like location based, time based, emotion based, or some action based, means like something we are doing, and because of doing that thing, like watching some movie, if in that movie there is some scene related to the like some uh, any kind of sexual content, then it leads to watch that thing. We are surfing through internet, we get some that kind of message or some video, then we lead to the that kind of website. So that leads to the urge, means we get into some fire from the external, and then it get into our body, or like it get into our brain mentality, and we get the into the mode of urge, means the flooded with sexual thought, fantasizing a spark, recall the images from the scene from on video, means now whenever doing some get some trigger, then whatever the videos and whatever the scenes we have watched, it just flashed out. So we again get into the mode of that. So it could be like urge, could be like you just feeling so heartburn or extreme spike of arousal. So like it's a like becoming a compulsion. It's also could be a body urge, or it get into the reptilian mood, means like you just your system off, and then anyhow you want to masturbate. So one thing you can do, how can you find out your trigger, or like the situation where you mostly do the masturbation? So you can do the truth journaling, means you write down every day the things, as we have also discussed in sequence. So every day you have to like keep marking the things, you have to keep connecting your chain. So now whatever the things you can write in a daily basis, now from waking up to till going to bed, and take the responsibility of this thing so seriously. So whatever the location based triggers, so it could be like now often you masturbate in now, while working, or like whenever you are studying, it could be in bathroom. So whenever you are using your laptop and surfing internet, and you just landed from there, it could be some vastu related things, means somewhere it's like there is a, like no any gathering of people or something. It could be some books library or that kind of things, means the location which trigger the trigger, and then you finally landed to the urge. It could be the time related things. So at the certain time you get the trigger, like in morning, in night, evening. It could be some rainy day, cold, weekend, right time. But now the things like now there is a some time, but you are feeling to do the things. It could be like just after taking your meal, a specific time, a specific action. So you have to find out all the things, means whatever it is your trigger, or either you are getting the arousal due to the location, due to the time. So many people just wake up and they have a hard arousal, means in the morning time, and then oftenly masturbate. So you have to identify the things. It could be the emotional waste, means like if you are alone, or na today you are just feeling sad, or na today like you are just off, then just before the entertainment, or na our mind get into that, na in that action, and we just masturbate. So it could be like boredom, it could be some study material. Study material is not like your syllabus, or a study material means like uh, you are using some adult content videos, books, na some story. So that is also lit, or that is also na connect with that emotion. Like there is a some scene, na, there is a some scene where two people are just romancing, and na, they're picturizing that kind of scene. So definitely it is connecting you, and just fantasizing, feeling guilt, having heartburn, sexual thought, frustration with porn addiction. Once more, means it could be also like you are now no, you have to quit. Means you are addicted to this addiction, and you want to quit it anyhow. And again you masturbate, and again you watch the porn, and then again you frustrated, and then again you watch. So this is continue in a cycle, and it is also like once more. Once you watch, then let's watch another video. Let's watch another video. Let's masturbate once again. So this is like a continuous cycle, and it's there is a not at all you want to quit, but no, you are unable to quit, because there is a huge, we have said this, there is a concept of test. Means your mind, your no, your brain get into the picturization, means and the all the picture and all the thought converted into that way only. Then how you can going to quit, isn't it? So you have to find out the things. Next one is the preceding action. Preceding action means either you are doing something, and that leads to na landing to the that kind of website, or that kind of na any you have like some pre-downloaded videos or something you just watched. So it could be like watching porn. So now you just watch for few seconds, or you watch some clip, and then spend like a whole day, or like 4 hour, 3 hours something, binge over Insta and YouTube. It's the biggest distraction as well. So it could be like a group which send you adult message like through the WhatsApp and other group social media. Subscribe, you have joined that group, and which used to send some pictures or some clips in that way. So it could be like preceding action for you, touching your private ad openly, sexting adult or erotic material like music, a story video, and like listening some kind of music which including that kind of the birds or something, that also sometimes gives you the urgent. You finally landed to the watching that kind of videos and something. It could be like once more, as we discussed, tiredness means you are suffering from this problem and you want to quit, but still you don't, no, you don't want to share with others, like no, it's like same or something. So if you don't want to share, you don't get the solution, then how you will get the solution? So this is also thing that you have to open, and you have to discuss with the with anyone through whichever you are comfortable. And the internet, over the internet you can like get anything. So another one is the IER technique, which is means you have to be just know the about the things, how the like the allocation based, time based, emotion based, or preceding action based. Then you are just identify the no by the journaling or all the things your problem, you're the trigger where you get the trigger. So you have to identify the trigger, then you have to work on the how you can eliminate, isn't it? Then you have to replace, means this is the thing. If you have enabled, then again it will come, means by the surpassing it will like grow in any day. So you have to eliminate, then you have to replace, you have to fill with other things, so that you can like get the permanent change or permanent shift. So for like you want to quit some habit, then you have to develop a new habit in place of that. So this is the concept. So we have discussed about the 5 categories, like location based, time based, immediate preceding. It could be the information getting through the sight, hearing, a smell, touch, or sense. So by the combination of this, you have to find out the like trigger. So this is the chart. So we will also give in the task. So you have to fill the task to analyze how you are getting the trigger. Then there is a 5 things. So you just find out the reason why and how, what and how, means why this is, and how you can delegate, how you can like get rid of this trigger, and how you can eliminate this trigger. Then you have to research, means with the people, by asking the people, reading the books, through the podcast, other things, any means of. So how you can going to eliminate this? Then repetition. Then you have to take the a small changes, means you have to like take the small step, like in a sequential you have to only take the 2 days, but you have to give the big priority. Then you have to take the responsibility, accountability, means there should be a responsive and there should be a feedback. Means like journal, you are doing the journaling, then you have to take the accountability how you are doing the journaling. Then you have to give the rewards, means you have to develop the new habit that is called the replace. So replacing the trigger or habit is the best part. So doing the small thing over and over, expecting the different result, get rid of the habit, get into a habit, isn't it? So from a tiny habit you have to like follow all the things and you have to give a big priority so that you will get into the mode. So whatever the things you have to do, so there is a 2 tasks only. So you have to, if you haven't write down all the things of the yesterday video task, so you just find out, you write your a story right after and before the watching porn, and then why you want to quit. Then you have to find out your triggers. So how you will find out? So like this, you will just make a chart, means you write down location based, time based, emotion based, and then preceding action based. So you just write the 5 senses, sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste, and you just try to find out like location based. So like there is just some kind of picture or some kind of something, by seeing or by hearing, by smelling or by touching, by taste, you just get into the trigger, and then it leads to the urge, and then finally you just masturbate. So you have to find out with all the 4 category and fill the things, and you try to find out, and then you have to work on the how you can going to eliminate. Then you, how you can going to replace it, or how you can going to make with that new habit which is like more efficient, or like it going to add some value. So in tomorrow video we will going to see like how you can replace that habit with new habit, or like whatever the things you can do by which you can eliminate permanently. So that's it for today. So you just find out the trigger, you have to understand the trigger. If anything which is related to location, related to time, related to any emotion, related to any action, which is leading some trigger, which is leading some urge, then you have to take care of these things. And you, if you